Here we go, Colonel, it's here. It's called Harbour Treats, Colonel.
Misdispensing eye drops. In the same episode, she misdispenses eye drops to PC Penhale, causing him to crash his Land Rover.
Yeah, we heard about that. Yeah.
Available to rent, National Trust.
Yeah.
So this was the home of PC Penhale.
Yep.
The erratic police officer of Doc Martin.
Portwenn.
Of Portwenn. So we're walking down the back streets here from the surgery, and we're walking towards the fish market. There's the slipway, the restaurant, bar. Here's the Port Isaac's Fisherman here, look.
Yep.
So there's some of the scenes that were done in the Fisherman scenes there.
Yep.
Walking up through.
Golden Lion in Port Isaac, a popular Cornish pub, has a rich history, including being a filming location for the TV series Doc Martin and Fisherman's Friends, and is known for its traditional pub atmosphere and sea views. Here's a more detailed look at the history and features of the Golden Lion, location and history. The Golden Lion is an 18th-century pub located in the heart of Port Isaac, a picturesque fishing village known for its narrow streets and charming cottages. Filming locations. The pub has been featured in the popular TV series Doc Martin and the movie Fisherman's Friends, adding to its appeal and recognition. Pub features. The Golden Lion is a traditional pub with sea views, open fires, and terraces, offering a warm and welcoming atmosphere.
Now this doubled, didn't it, as the chemist. The chemist? Yes, the chemist in the series. Mrs. Tishel's chemist. There you go, viewers. It's actually known in its real world as the Harbour Treats Ice Cream Confectionery and Gifts.
Yep.
There's something there. Portwenn, Doc Martin Walk and Talk. There you go. Anybody looking for a talk comes here. Walk and Talk. A guided walk through the village, taken in Doc Martin. Location and village history. Well, we found out about the history in the chapel, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
That's fantastic.
Brilliant.
£12.50 a person, under 12s go free. Well, that's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
So £12 yourself and take your kids free. Next one's at 12 o'clock.
Yep.
A tour meeting. Please sign in a book, and the phone number's at the bottom there, viewers.
Yep.
Make sure we get a... There you go, at the bottom. Let's just read that out, Colonel, the phone number for Harbour Treats. 07
815
156632. Let's just see if we can say hello to the people in the shop and ask them what their specials are. We won't put the camera towards them. Hello, sir. We're walking in history YouTube. We've got the camera this way. Can you tell us what's special? Because you've got Mrs. Tishel's chemist here.
Yes.
What's your special, sir? What can we tell the viewers?
The fudge is brilliant.
Yeah,
Honeycomb fudge.
I'm just going to keep this shot on the window. So the gentleman said that the fudge is brilliant. Absolutely, sir.
Eat and Mess, the fudge is also very good, and our ice cream is very good.
And I eat and mess and the ice cream. What's your top seller?
Millionaire shortbread.
There you go, viewers. You heard it here first. Millionaire shortbread. Thank you, sir. Walking in History, England, YouTube. Thank you, sir.
In the show Doc Martin, Mrs. Tichel, played by Selena Cadale, is the pharmacist who works at the pharmacy in Portwenn, and she is known for her unrequited feelings for Dr. Martin Ellingham. Here's a more detailed look at Mrs. Tichel's character and her role in the show. The pharmacist. Mrs. Tichel is the pharmacist in Portwenn, a small Cornish village, and is a regular character in the show. Unrequited feelings. She is known for having a crush on Dr. Martin Ellingham, the village doctor, which is a recurring theme in the show. Neck brace. Mrs. Tichel is often seen wearing a neck brace, which she has worn for years to combat neck pain. Drastic actions. In one episode, she takes drastic action, fueled by a cocktail of drugs, and leaves Portwenn with James Henry, believing he is Martin's son. Misdispensing eye drops. In the same episode, she misdispenses eye drops to PC Penhale, causing him to crash his Land Rover.
Good night.
Come on, Colonel. Let's kick it. So we're looking up towards the boathouse. Take a look at the harbour, viewers.
Is it the outlaw one? Yeah. Yeah, we heard about that. Yeah. Yeah, we had thought about
As you can
whether
see,
to do
we're
their
opposite
lunch thingy, 'cause it's not as pricey.
Doc Martin
but we didn't
surgery
wanna
there,
be in a
viewers.
hurry, so we didn't want to make, you know, a reservation and then have to leave the castle, and it's not a place that you can leave quickly.
Okay. Quite steep, Colonel, the hill.
Yep.
Not as steep as that one.
We've got this one.
Not as steep as that
That's
one.
this one.
Ice cream parlour. Roskill's ice creams. Best selling flavour ice cream. We'll find out, viewers, will us? We just sent the Colonel in to find out what the best top selling flavour of ice cream is. What will it be, viewers? Will it be mint? Maybe rum and raisin? Who knows? We're about to find out. Right, hello viewers, we are standing outside the ice cream parlour here in Port Isaacs, and we sent the Colonel in for a challenge to find out what the 3 top flavours were, and he got a bit of a treat, didn't he, Colonel?
Oh yes.
Number 1, what was number 1, Colonel? What do you think number 1 top selling ice cream here, Colonel, was? What do you think it was?
White chocolate and raspberry ripple.
No, Colonel, that was not number 1. That was one that you had.
Oh, perhaps that was
number
one.
3.
That was number 1 to me.
That was number 1 for you. Okay. Well, number 1, no surprise, was vanilla. That kind of makes sense, doesn't it? The top selling ice cream being vanilla.
Yes.
Yep. Then it was salted caramel
Yep.
at number 2.
Yep.
And then the
number
third
3,
one was which one, Colonel?
it was white chocolate and raspberry ripple.
And how did that taste, Colonel?
Lush. Absolutely lush.
There you go, viewers. You heard it here first. If you want lush ice cream, then you know where to come in this village. The ice cream parlour.
Yep.
In Port Isaac, the ice cream parlor is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, offering a variety of ice cream treats, and it's known for being a place to grab a cone while exploring the village or beach. Popularity: the ice cream parlor is a well-known destination in Port Isaac, particularly for its ice cream, often enjoyed while visiting the beach or exploring the village. Local businesses: besides the ice cream parlor and harbor treats, Port Isaac has a variety of cafes, pubs, and restaurants, such as the Golden Lion Pub, which has terrific views over the harbour and a smuggler's tunnel.
Oh.
We stand here, Colonel. We've got a car coming up.
Absolutely.
Think this was Louisa's house, Colonel?
Yes.
Was it? This one?
One of them was, I believe.
This one Louisa's?
Hang on.
Was this one Louisa's house?
I believe it's this one, isn't it?
This one, Colonel, 27.
Yeah, I think so. I really think so.
Okay, viewers, comments below. We can't work out which one it was. It's either number 25,
27.
the blue one, 27, one with lovely flower pots in the window. This one. Comments below which one.
In the TV show Doc Martin, Louisa's house, a prominent location in the fictional Portwenn, is actually located on 4th Street in the real-life harbour village of Port Isaac, Cornwall, and is a recognisable part of the show's filming locations.
Quite a steep hill, this, Colonel.
Oh, yeah. Need a donkey.
Colonel, let's have a look from behind, Colonel. So look at that.
Yep.
So look at that, Colonel. Look at that, Colonel. Beautiful, isn't it?
That's better.
Look at that, Colonel.
Yep.
Cornish flag there.
Yep.
Proper Cornish flag.
With the flag of St. Piran.
Look at this view.
That's cracking, isn't it?
Look at this, Colonel. Look at this.
Look at that turquoise tree. That is turquoise.
Look at this, Colonel.
Yes. That colour of that is turquoise. Absolutely beautiful. Right.
So we're looking for the policeman's house.
I think it's this place here,
This one here, Colonel.
with all the scaffolding around it. Yep, it is.
One sec, Colonel. We're getting a... Having a few technical issues there, Colonel.
Oh dear.
Oh, we really are having a few technical issues.
Oh.
This place here,
Yep.
I think this place here was the police station
Yep.
in the series.
Yep. As I said in this tour guide, that is the police station.
Yeah.
And it's National Trust.
And it's what?
National Trust.
National
Holiday cottages available for rent.
National Trust, so you can come on holiday here
Yes, you can.
and stay in the old Portwenn police
Yep.
station.
Yep.
Fantastic. There you go,
Yep.
viewers. National Trust, White Cottages, holiday cottage available to rent. National Trust.
Yeah.
So this was the home of PC Penhale,
Yep.
the erratic police officer of Doc Martin
Portwenn.
of Portwenn.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Yep.
There you go. There you go, viewers.
Yep.
This wonderful, beautiful beach.
With its turquoise coloured water.
Viewers.
Beautiful.
In the fictional village of Portwenn in the ITV drama Doc Martin, the police station was located in Portgavern Beach House, a former fisherman's home, which is now a holiday cottage.
Okay, viewers, that concludes our video here today at Port Isaacs, the backdrop to Doc Martin. I've enjoyed my day with the Colonel. So, if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up and share and click that bell for notifications. From all of the Walking in History team here today in Port Isaacs.
Goodbye.
Big up, big up, big up.
Walking in history, step by step. Walking in history.